Welcome to the Starting Fat Loss Program. I'm Coach Jordan, and this is Coach Rudy.
The Starting Fat Loss Program is going to consist of 3 workout days. We're going to hit 2 full body days and sprinkling in some metabolic conditioning, and then 1 core focus day. Day 1 is going to consist of 3 mini circuits. We're going to hit 2 strength exercises followed by 1 cardio burst. The first exercise, you're going to see it listed as A1, is going to be a dumbbell split squat. What I want Jordan to do here is hit the split stance position. He's going to take a slight shoulder forward lean, and we're going to go straight down like an elevator. So you want both knees to bend. Good, pause, and then drive up. Good. We want to go about 3 seconds down. 1, 2, 3, pause, and drive up explosively. Perfect, Jordan. Pause and drive. We want to hit about 8 to 10 reps on each leg, and we want to do that for about 3 to 4 sets. Give me 1 more, and let's switch. Good. Same thing, slight forward lean, and straight down. Pause, drive up. Good. There we go. Notice he's keeping the shoulders over hips, pressing off the ground. He has 50-50 weight distribution here. Really loading up those legs. And relax. Good.
Exercise A2 is going to be a flat dumbbell bench press. So go ahead and grab your dumbbells, and you're going to lay on a flat bench just like Coach Rudy's doing here. What we want to do is make sure our shoulders are pressed down, chest is slightly popped up, and we're going to be driving those forearms towards the ceiling. As we come down, we're going to have those elbows at about a 45-degree angle. So we don't want them too close to the body, and we don't want them flaring out. Making sure that we're driving strong through your palms. The way I describe it is if someone's about to grab your pizza, you'd push them away with your hands. That's the same momentum that you want to be pushing through these dumbbells. Controlling on your way down. You're going to give us 10 to 12 reps, and then we'll see you in the next exercise.
We're going to finish off the first circuit with the 15-second rower sprint. You want to go ahead and hop on the rower, grab the handle, and you're just going to go all out for 15 seconds, making sure you get that heart rate up. That heart rate should be blasting right now. You should feel a little winded. Go ahead and take about a 1.5-minute break and then follow that circuit all over again. Now we're going to be starting circuit 2. We're going to be heading up the leg curl. So Jordan, you want to go ahead and set up right here. Bring your legs on top of the pad. Let's adjust the little thing here. What you want to do here is keep a tall posture. Keep the toes bent back towards you. And we're going to drive the legs down explosively and then control on the way up. Good, come down, good. You never want the weights to touch again. You want to keep tension the whole time. So the weight shouldn't come off the rack or come back to the rack. Good. We're going to hit about 8 to 12 reps here. If you want to spice things up a little bit, what you can do is come down with 2 legs, let go with 1, and then try to fight it all the way up. Then you're going to switch sides on the next one. Let that leg go up, try to fight it all the way up. That's working on the lengthening part, or what they call the eccentric part of the movement, which is crucial for that muscle endurance or any type of sport that you play. B2 is going to consist of a lat pull down. What we're going to be doing here is sitting, grabbing a wider grip. What we're going to do is we're going to bring it to the top of the chest here. You're going to squeeze your lats down and control on the way up. What we can do is explode a little bit faster on the way down, and then work on the lengthening part, explode down. You want to aim to feel it as low as possible on the lats, because if you feel it from this lowest point, it means you're engaging from that point up. So the lower you feel, the more engagement you're going to have in this movement. Nice control here, Jordan. Good, fight it on the way up. Explode down. Give me 1 more good rep. Good, and relax. We're going to be finishing off circuit 2 with the sled drag. You want to hit this for about 45 seconds or the length of the turf. We're gonna start our last and final circuit with some calf raises. On these calf raises, what we wanna do is we wanna push off the middle line of the foot, meaning pushing off more on the big toe. A lot of times people will push off the pinky side. We wanna be right on the midline, pushing off that big toe, getting up as high as we can, really squeezing the calves at the top. We wanna hit about 10 reps here, but since the calves are a muscle that do a lot of work, we could even bump that up to 20 reps. C2 is going to consist of dumbbell lateral raises. What we want to do here is keep a slight bend in the elbow and bring the weights up about shoulder height. You want to control the movement, keep a proud chest, and we're going to hit this for about 12 to 15 reps. You want to make sure you're keeping the thumbs either even or slightly up. If we internally rotate, that could cause a little bit of shoulder pain, especially for people who've dealt with shoulder impingements. Good. Give me a few more here. And relax. Good. The last and final exercise and our last cardio burst is going to consist of mountain climbers. What you want to do is get in a push-up position. And we're going to start by driving the knee slightly past the hip. And you're going to rotate, alternating each leg. And then we're going to pick up some speed. So we're going to do that a little bit quicker so we get that metabolic effect. You want to make sure you hit this for about 45 seconds. Just driving the knees out. Notice that his hips aren't shooting way up in the air. He's staying fairly even here. This one will get that heart rate up. Just keep pressing even when you're feeling that burn. Finish all the way till you get to the end of that 45 seconds. And rest.